Tags are a simple way to keep your articles organized in Inoreader. Let's see how they work. Open an article and click the Article Tags button. Start typing to find an existing tag or create a new one. You can also choose from AI-suggested tags. For quicker access, open Preferences. Find the Tags button and enable it. Then, you'll see the Article Tags button in your listings. No need to open articles first. All tagged articles live in the Saved section. Browse by tag or view all tagged articles in one place. Click the slicer to show only updated tags and stay focused. In all tagged articles, combine multiple tags to filter across topics. Pro users can automate tagging with rules. Go to Automate, click the Create Rule button, and set your conditions. Once your rule is saved, Inoreader will automatically tag all new matching articles. With tags, organizing your articles is effortless. Start tagging today.